Hello there! Here we meet in another video that is about the passive voice. This course is made and created by me, MDFC. So let's get started. As a beginning, I want to clarify the difference between passive voice and active voice. Well, a voice refers to the form of the verb that indicates whether the subject of the sentence performs the action or receives it. We use the active voice to say what the actor or subject does. In this case, the girl opens the door. The girl is the subject, whereas the door is the object. We use the passive voice to say what happens to the object, like this one. The door is open. Now, let's move to the main part of this lesson, which is the structure of the passive voice. So, the main structure is this one, the verb to be plus past participle of the main verb plus agent. I am going to explain each part of the structure as we move forward. So, the form of the verb to be in the passive sentence is the same as the form of the original main verb in the active sentence. So, our sentence here is Leslie writes a book. The main verb of the sentence is writes, and it's a simple present verb. So, if we seek transforming this sentence into the passive form, we should put the verb to be in the tense of the main verb of the active voice, which is simple present. So, we will start the sentence by the object, which is a book. Then, the verb to be in the simple present is. Then, the past participle of the main verb writes, written. Now, to refer to the agent or to say who did the action that we are talking about, we use the preposition by and the name. So, our sentence will be, a book is written by Leslie. Now, let's dig into some verb tenses and how they'll appear in the passive voice. In the previous structure, we took care of the simple present. Now, let's move to the simple past. The main verb of the sentence is going to be transformed into was or were plus the past participle of the main verb. So, our sentence here is Meliodas cleaned this room. As it is presented in front of you, the main verb of the sentence is cleaned. Now, let's transform the sentence into the passive voice. The object of the previous sentence will take the place of the subject. Then, we put the verb to be in the tense of the main verb, which is simple past. Then, the past participle of the main verb cleaned. And we end the sentence by adding the agent, which is the subject of the previous sentence. Now, you take the wheel. Tell me, what are the other tenses that can be used in the passive voice?
Created using Powtoon.